The water absorbency test is intended to assess the fluid absorption capacity of skin barriers through the skin contact surface. This is an Ostoform seal with flow assist technology, and this is a competitor seal. This is how the seals appear before undergoing the water absorbency test. A small volume of physiological saline solution is added to the center well of each seal, and the seals are incubated at 37 degrees Celsius body temperature for 24 hours. After this time period, the seals are removed from the incubator and excess saline is discarded. Upon visual inspection, it can be seen that the Ostoform seal with flow assist technology has a protected region of hydrocolloid and thus maintains its integrity more so than the competitor seal. This higher hydrocolloid integrity offers more protection to the peristomal skin.